I spy.
Me.
Okay, cool. Who's first?
So I'll go first.
Go on then. You have to talk up though.
Tricky or hard?
Tricky or hard?
I mean,
Both.
easy or hard?
Easy. Let's go with easy.
You have to say hard.
Okay then. Make it hard.
I spy with my little eye something black.
Something black.
Ooh,
Car?
Those big boards? No.
Traffic lights?
No.
The windows?
No.
People walking on the road?
No.
They've got like black clothes on?
No.
Their shoes?
The chairs? No. No.
Uh,
My coat?
the blacked out windows of cars?
No.
No, I think that's a good one though, right?
Those the tall lights.
I didn't say that,
No.
Marie. No, it's not good. I don't know. Oh, these, the bins?
No.
Give us a clue, give us a clue.
It's not with the letter.
Road?
No.
What? Rabbits?
Black rabbit bug. No. The railing.
Oh yeah, that's a good
No.
one. Resources.
No.
Oh no, the rain's not black, obviously. Rims of the car. Okay, give us another clue. That's a tricky one.
It's used as a
Is used as equipment.
bit.
Rental vehicles. What? Does it begin with an R? You might do.
A road.
I don't know.
What are roofs made?
Roofs.
Yeah.
Roofs.
Yeah.
Slates. You have roof slates, don't you? A roof?
No.
No. Yes, no?
I mean, it's not roof.
So you can't. You changed the letter. After all of that, I put a lot of energy into that. That was not easy at all. Okay, Anna-Marie's turn. Give Anna-Marie a turn before you change it. So that's only fair. Or it's my turn to have a time.
I'll do in my mind.
What?
In my mind. In my mind.
Chopper, chopper, chopper.
One, two, out goes you. That's me. Okay. I spy. Hey. In my world.
So let her speak. Let her speak. Let her speak. Gotta be patient.
In your world, though, are we? No, I spy.
Yes.
My little eye. Something. Check it up.
No, leave her.
An S.
An S.
S.
I love Saturdays.
No.
I don't. It's not
Not
Saturday.
sea Saturday.
Well, you don't know.
No.
Snakes. Where can you say that?
Slate. It's a slate. Can you give
Slivering slumber.
Please may you give us a clue? It's always
Sad
there.
and always there. What? Sellotape. We've got lots of sellotape on it.
What?
Sellotape.
We usually run out of sellotape.
Whose fault is that? It's always you guys
the
leaving them in
colour?
ridiculous
Grey.
places. S and Grace.
And it's always there.
Oh, is it what? S. Oh.
I mean, it's grey right now, but it can change into different colours. Can you give us another clue?
Yeah, we didn't have a clue. We're not that great at this. We're not that hot on that topic.
Can you give us another clue? Right now,
Yes.
it's... Oh, I know. Yeah? What's it? Rice painting? No.
Spray painting.
Give us a clue.
Oh, that is a good one. It could be spray painting.
Give us
Go on, give us a clue then, because I don't know.
Always there's something in it
In it.
that starts with a C in Birmingham.
I don't know. I don't know.
Another clue.
Okay, give us a clue that's going to make it slightly easier for us to guess, Marie, because you're making this quite complex.
Yeah. Where's the next letter? K.
K. So it's SK. Skates.
No.
Skittles.
Sweet. No.
Sullivan.
Sweet.
Sweets is, I don't know, what?
Can you give us another clue? It's above us.
Sky.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, we're not so great at
That's
this.
my
No. My turn, actually. It's only my turn, so we've got to be patient and take it in turns, okay? I spy with my little eye, something beginning with, I'll make this not too complex, okay? Oh, I spy with my little eye, something beginning with R or R.
Row?
No. Sol should be able to get this quite easily.
Row.
Yeah.
Row.
Nope. She said that
Can you
right.
give us another clue?
It has been in our house for a few days.
Remy Rabbit.
Yeah.
That was really good though.
Should we play 28?
Yeah.
What do you want to play then? 28? Okay, have another turn then. You can have another turn then. Go on then.
So, I spy with my little eye.
Yeah.
You have the hard one. Red.
I spy my
red.
something red.
Yes. The lights on the
I
cars
was,
in front
I
of
was
us.
just about to traffic cone.
No.
The
House is this sort of red.
Yeah, I was gonna say the bricks on the houses.
The bricks on
The car.
No, the bricks on that one up there. No.
The L plate, the learner's driving plate there.
No.
The bus stop.
No. That car? No. That's kind of narrow. There's nothing else.
Oh, I'm just looking around. Red lights. The red lights. The red lights.
Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Oh, that triangle red button.
Where? Where?
No.
Hey! Don't look at my buttons on the
No.
car.
I've always wanted to press that.
Do not press.
Red buttons on
No,
the
no, 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 no. They
big
said
red buttons.
they said don't press big red buttons.
But then
That
that's touching to
that is a big red button.
White
Don't
buttons.
press it.
They should make the ones that you shouldn't press white buttons. White buttons draw no interest.
Oh, how about green?
It's the big shiny red.
How about green, the colour of nature? No one's gonna press it.
Only it's the big shiny red one. Only the red ones that I want to press. So you can't press. Mommy, what does that?
You can't just press
Mommy,
that.
What does that button do?
So this is called emergency lights.
That's a
So
as well.
Marie. So basically, what shape is this on? Don't tell him. Sorry?
Rectangle.
No.
It's a triangle.
Thank you. Dearie me. So basically, when you press this button, the lights on the car flash, and they're there to signal or warn to the people behind you and in front of you that something's taking place. So it's like an emergency, like watch out, something's happening.
Like woo woo.
No, yeah, like woo woo.
When the lights are flashing. Yeah.
Sorry?
When the lights are flashing.
Yeah, that's what happens. The lights flash.
Oh, back to my turn.
Oh, okay, sorry.
What was it?
It was beginning with an R, I think. Yeah, no, sorry, it was the colour
It was
red.
red. Yeah.
It was red. Ah, oh, I know these lines here. What? The train station light, the train station sign.
No.
Okay, let's have a clue then. Oh, how about the, you know, within the circle, usually they have the speed limits. Speed limits.
No. That's the way they say no.
It's getting a little bit better. Give us a clue. With a clue.
Start
With
Huh, yeah. They can come in different colours.
different colours.
You just said that.
But you said this was
They
red.
can come in different colours. Pipes. No. Tails. No. PPU. Mommy, what's the anchor there?
Sorry?
What do you have there? That anchor on there.
Anchor of what? What?
Like an anchor.